All right, I believe we are live. We are having technical difficulties already. Yo, I think we're good. Good morning, good morning. Here we are, about to do some day trading. Hopefully, about 9 minutes to market open. And we'll just start with a Bible verse. It's the one we used on our last stream. I just try to find the ones that resonate with me and what's happened in my life. But this is short and simple, and just a lot to take from it from me personally. So, um, Psalm 18:19, it says, "He brought me out into a spacious place. He rescued me because he delighted in me." So, and like in my other videos, I tell you, I was in a bad place. One day I'll tell my testimony, um, but I was in a bad place, and I cried out to God and Jesus Christ, and just asked Him to get me out of the mess I was in, and the addictions, and all the bad things, and He surely did. So here we are. Never thought I'd be even messing around making little videos on YouTube. So, glory to God, and I have to glorify His name, and because this is why I'm here. So, um, that's it. Yeah, that's it for today. So, thank you guys for watching and being here. And I did post like a little video last night trying to so I think we were day 7, we were live streaming, and we made some, I think, pretty good trades. We were up, and for some reason I was feeling a little too good, and I had 2 accounts, I think, too, and I just started trading after stream and just thinking I could make a little bit more, and I ended up just blowing the Tradeify account. So we still have our take profit trader. We'll just trade that, and we'll just not be a big doofus. That's it. So I think we can do it. I don't know, I was getting, I guess, greedy. I guess that's what happened. Just started thinking I knew the market, and the market chopped me up terribly. Hopefully the stream looks okay. I don't know. But hopefully it'll be okay. So let's see here. My internet's not the best, so gotta work with what we got here. We gotta work with what we got. Don't do it to me. Okay. I did make a couple trades last night. I'm down $100 right now. Um, wow, this thing came up, and oh yeah, it took out these right here too. Incredible. Yeah, pretty good. Let's take a look at the higher 1 hour. I don't know why that's so big. The hourly. Hmm. A lot of buyers in this purple zone here, or they seem to buy in this purple area. Big buyers here. We are above that area at the moment. Um, we do try to trade like the 5-minute candle, so I kind of base trades off of the 5-minute opening. You have your highs and your lows. So we'll just have to wait and see if we get some momentum and just see what happens here. About 4 minutes. And I think, you know what it was? I think if you guys recall, I had this Zip Fizz, man, at like 7 o'clock at night, and this stuff had me feeling wired up. And I think that's another reason, man, had me stayed up late. We were doing good, man. I was just on top of the world, and then shut you down. Just being just trading for no reason. Absolutely no reason. Uh, it hurts to think about. I'll be honest. It hurts to think about. Um, let's see. Let's see if I can get some tunes on here. Let's see. Hopefully, nothing important comes up here. I don't think so. We're good. Just go over here. And trading, FSP, um, he's pretty good. He does scalping. I've tried like to do the scalping strategy. That doesn't really. I'm not really good at that. That's it's a little tougher. Um, Patrick, he's pretty good. I don't know. He's he's I mean, I guess he is good because he's, living the life, but who else is good? Um Trying to think. Casper SMC. This guy's good. He's where I learned the 5 minute strategy, which I don't like follow 100%, but he's got a simple strategy, and that's actually how I became funded the first time. Um, but what was I on here for? Oh yeah, some music. Give me music now. 1 minute or less on the. Hopefully it's not too loud for you guys. Alright, let's get some Zip Fizz going and about 10 seconds here. And we're off. And we're off. Wow, alright. Man, that's some serious FOMO right there. Just want to hit buy. Dangerous though, dangerous. having a heck of a time opening this thing. What is going on here? I think I got it. So gonna continue up here. FOMO. It's alright. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Patience, man. Patience. Maybe it comes back down into our purple range for higher move up. Excuse me. Little pullback here for a continuation. Could be nice. Man, I almost want to put a buy above here, but that's how I don't know why I would think that would be a smart idea, because it could just tap you in and come right back down, which it pretty much did to me the other day after the stream. Oh, I'm so mad at myself for that. Sorry about the video. Hopefully it was okay, the revenge trading video. I was just trying to edit it, make it interesting, but I don't think it, you know, it's new to me. We're practicing. Trying to get good at editing and just messing around, so there's a lot to it. Props to anybody that edits videos and they come out amazing. It's a lot of work, I think. It is a lot of work. Okay, so this is a pretty big wick here. And it's, yeah, big wick there. So we did create our 5-minute highs and our lows. Yeah, this thing could definitely be coming down, back down for our zone down here. I would like to see that. Clicking buttons again, not good. Look at that, pull all the way back up. Wow. dance around in this this little area. This chart on the left, it's just a demo account. I like to just like the chart. It's easier for me to use personally. A lot of people use TradingView, which has nice charts, but I don't know. Mine seems to be, I don't know how to work it. Surprisingly, it just doesn't. The chart doesn't. I don't know if I need to buy it or something because it's missing like candles and it's got gaps all over the chart. I don't understand like why that is, but I like this chart. See if we can close below the 5-minute lows here. Might get pushed back up again. Yeah. Excuse me. Kind of hanging outside of this range here for now. Nice. Nice. We would be in that trade right now, I think. Looking pretty strong here. Try to be patient, see what plays out here. So we got our close under the 5-minute low. Comes back down into our purple zone. We could probably look for maybe another buy. Possibly. Could look for a sell right here. I might try to sell here in a second. We'll see. Stop this out. That's fine. Looks like it's creeping back up. Is onto the 5-minute lows here. My dang chopping myself right now for some reason. Stop losses are a little okay, we're in a trade here. We are in freaking micros. I'm a little upset about that, but that's okay. That is alright. Okay. Well, that would have been a nice trade. It was a nice trade, but I was in micros, so we actually did pretty good there. But wow, this thing is okay. We might have another chance here to take a buy. Hopefully, don't lose everything we just made. Okay. Not bad. We'll just wait here. We actually made back. We're down 250. We were down 100, so we did make back our our loss there. I'm trying to be patient here and not just keep entering trades. We'll just wait for maybe a retracement here. Doesn't have to. Could be coming up to these highs. Yeah, we'll just wait. That's all. Just wait. I think we took all we could take out of that with being just be as safe as we can now. There's a little fair value gap here. Yeah, there it goes. Very nice. Possibly take a buy when it pulls back. Getting a little pullback here. No techno. Into our fair value gap. We could try to take a buy maybe. Did go into our fair value gap here. Nope. Okay, no problem. No problem. Disrespected the fair value gap. Is this fair value gap 2 here? Oh man. Yeah, and engulf that candle. So we could be looking for definitely some more buying here. Hasn't closed yet though, so might chop around in this area for a little bit. We're back down to 250 again. We are in this purple range, so I'm probably just gonna wait maybe. Hopefully it doesn't pull too far back down on us here. Nice. Nice. Okay. We are up. In this range here. We just got some good moves up here. That's a nice move there for sure. A little dangerous in here, I think, but We're up 137. I think that's great. As far as how good the trades were, I was just basing it off of momentum. And, I mean, we took a couple good trades. Green trades are good trades. Think if it breaks above here, I mean, I'm not sure. Just not sure. Yeah, we could definitely be looking for some selling right now. Will we buy or will we sell? And my stop losses kept stopping me out too real quick because they're not, I don't have them, or I wasn't zoomed in far enough so I couldn't move them real quick. Wow. Pullback, another pullback for maybe another continuation here. I'm getting FOMO. Chill out. Chill out, bro. Stop clicking buttons, man. Okay. This music's got me feeling like I'm in the Predator hunting human beings or something. Give me the funk. Man, this could be a nice move continuing up. Had a little pullback. It's kind of like consolidating right here for the next move, possibly. Yeah, this is horrible. Stop clicking buttons, man. Just wait. Just wait. Be patient. You can see it's just dancing right now. It's just dancing. Oh! Excuse me. Not bad. We protected our loss, which was good. Nice push back down. We do have a fair value gap here. They go down to the fair value gap here. Popped up. Could have just stopped out the buyers. Hmm. Hmm. You know, at this point, we probably should just be done for the day, honestly. $200. That's pretty much what I make. I'm on 9 to 5 a day, so that's, you know, I mean, that's good. Made it in an hour instead of 8 hours or 10. Could be looking for some cells here soon, maybe. Hmm. Man, down 87. Horrible. Protect our profits here. Okay. Nice. Tough, man, tough. This is probably gonna chop us up a little bit right here. Hopefully not. Protect our profits. So we are in a trade. I'm basing it off of this fair value gap down here. It's gonna continue up, but plus of all the buyers have been buying. Having a hard time right now though. stop this out. It's okay. Nice push down. Nice push down. Okay. Could probably enter another sell, but I'm gonna wait. It was a pretty big candle. Well, stop this out. Big push back up. I stop this out again here. Take our profits. Nice, nice, nice. Huge. We just kind of trail it with our stop loss, and it's good. Honestly, we've been clicking a lot of buttons. I think we're probably just going to be done trading for this day. Bro, after all that trading, we made, we're up $250. We didn't, that was horrible. Horrible amount of trades. But, I mean, I don't know. I only say that because I see other people saying, like, you only should do this and that, but I've seen a lot of people just trade all day long also and be fine. So, I mean, it just, whatever works for you. I mean, the more you're in the market, the more chances you have of blowing the account, or, you know, revenge trading, obviously, and just, it's good just to take a couple trades in the morning and that's it. But you can trade all day. I mean, scalpers do it all day long. You got to be patient though. FOMO, fear of missing out, kind of kicks in when you see like big jumps and moves and things like that. Kind of start just clicking and trying to get in the market. So I do personally. That was a big red candle down here. Man, I hope we pass an account this year, man. Okay, nice. as you see, I was trying to like trail my stop losses and just follow up. That's good practice for intraday trailing drawdown because that's tough. I don't even know how I passed that, but you gotta like so say you were in the trade down here and it came all the way up for all that profit. If it comes back down, all this movement back down is counting against your profits. It's hard to explain. So you break even if it came back down to your starting point, or actually you'd be negative if it came back down to your starting point. So you're up, say you're up $200 up here. If it comes back down, that's negative $200 when it hits your take even or your stop loss. A little difficult to trade. That's why Tradeify has end of day trailing drawdown, but I blew that account like a doofus. It's alright though. Pretty much doing what I was just doing by just entering trades, but the morning time's a little, you can see a little more movement. Night, the Asian session is a little harder because it moves slower and then it like just chops you up, and oh man, just horrible all the way around. It's horrible all the way around. We're just hanging out in this little purple range here. Might stick a buy up here. Actually, that's a horrible idea. Yeah, that's a horrible idea. What are you smoking, man? It's creeping back up a little bit, but right in this area is where they start selling, so we'll see if it decides to sell off again. Uphill trend. This could be a nice buy, matter of fact, but I'm not risking it for the biscuit. I am not. Not gonna do it, Captain. Nice little pullback, maybe for to continue up. I don't know. Check the 5-minute chart. Oh wow, that looks pretty nice actually. Little 5 minute, a little pullback. That's looking pretty nice, actually. But it is kind of stuck right here. Oof. Yeah, I'm glad I'm not in that. That could be a nice spot though. Just the way it looks. Pullback, continuation, up until here. A lot of sellers actually, yeah, right where we're at kinda. Yeah, big sellers. Big sellers up here. We're reading it all wrong. Oops. Ooh, excuse me. Doge, 5-minute doji candle. Probably need to zoom in on this here. I think they call this one a doji candle. Could be looking for it to go lower here. Kind of got some sellers up here. This could be a nice little selling area. Oh, a minute. Okay. Wow, big push back up. Wow. Nice pop. Okay, so she's just kind of bouncing up and down at the moment. Zip Biz. Give me all your Zip Biz. I know, we said we were done trading. I know. A lot of wicks. A lot of wiki going on here. Just looking. I don't know what this thing wants to do. Making a nice little W here, that's for sure. Bad trade on my part, I think. Maybe if they can just keep propping this thing up. Nice. Yeah. Yep. 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 Oh man, a nice big pull back there. Huge. Huge. Man, I really want to see this thing continue up, but it's not giving it to us here. Comcast not wanting to give it to us, but it's alright. Stop this out. That's okay. Yeah, we just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Just kind of chopping us up right now. It's an all-out war. Okay. Okay. I see you. Where, oh, where are we gonna go? Up and down, nobody knows. Nice. And we're just... What I'm shooting for is like a $500 profit, but about to stop me out again. Oh, okay. Alright, you might be looking for some selling here, huh? At this point, we're just gambling again, so it's looking like some nice sells, though. Hopefully we can catch a nice move down here. That'd be nice, and we'll just be done. Whatever happens, we'll just be done for the day. Yeah, alright. We'll be done for the day. We're down $107. We're getting a little carried away, so I mean that was just crazy. That was just crazy. See if we can catch this thing back up to the top here, maybe. Could be a nice move here, actually. Push back up to the top, maybe. Nice. top this out there. Alright, our discipline is not working very well. Our discipline is not working very well. We're getting money hungry. And we're losing money. Those two things do not go well together. Little retracement, probably shouldn't be in this trade. This is gambling at its finest. Okay, so it looks like sellers might be taking over here. I think it's messing with us buyers right now. I'm gonna lie, this looks like a nice sell right here. Oh man, we're getting chopped. I'm out. We're about to blow this account too. Already. This thing's just chopping around, man. I'm really disappointed in myself, actually. That this happened to us. It's actually horrible. Dang it, man. Well, I think we're gonna call it there. Don't do what I did. We were up 200, now we're down $772. We're just getting chopped up. I'm just trying to wait for this. I'm not waiting for anything, obviously, but man, horrible. Absolutely horrible. Absolutely horrible. We're in another trade. Go big or go home. Oof. Yeah, it is coming down. Wow, man. Wow. Freaking remarkable. Let's see here. He's gonna touch that and then try to come back up on us here. That'd be horrible. Is this where we make it all back and then we can just be done with this trading for today? I'm absolutely just getting cooked here. Come all the way back down to the 5 minute high. That would be great. Can we revenge trade ourselves back into profitability here? So far, so good. Did we finally get on the right side of the market temporarily? Can we? No. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. How? I don't know. What's it gonna do? Continue lower. Go back up. Nice. Yeah, I think we're toast. Yeah, day trading ain't for us, ladies and gentlemen. Not for us. Yeah, it's too choppy. Well, we still have an account. We'll come back maybe tonight or what's today? Thursday morning. But yeah, so we're down 1200, and if we keep trading, we're just gonna keep chopping ourselves up pretty good. So I think I'm just gonna end it here before I just blow the account, which I was gonna do. But man, trading's tough. We were up though. We should have just ended it on that, but that's okay. Hey man, that's you don't just gotta learn. Gotta learn. Got to learn. All right, guys. Thank you everybody. God bless and have a good day.